Welcome to Everyday Cooking. Today's recipe is prawn pie. This pie is loaded with Indian prawn masala and I'm sure you'll definitely like it. Let us start this by making pie crust. For making pie crust, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour. To this, add 50 grams of salted butter. If you are not using salted butter, add little bit of salt. The butter has to be very cold, then only you can form crumbles out of this. Make this into crumbles and add 1 beaten egg. Mix everything together and form a firm dough. Our dough is ready and it is firm too. Now cover it with a cling and put it in the refrigerator for at least half an hour. Our pie dough is ready. Now it has to be refrigerated. By the time, let us move on and make the prawn masala. Pour some oil in a pan. To this, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Give a nice saute. To this, add half a cup of sliced onions. Let us cover and cook the onions till it is translucent. The onions are ready. Next we are going to add the tomatoes. This is 2 tomatoes chopped. Give a nice saute. Now it is time to add the required amount of salt. Let us close and cook the tomatoes for a few minutes. This is ready now. Now let us add the masalas. This is 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of cumin powder and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. The masalas are combined well. Next, it is time to add our prawns. This is half a kg of prawns. Give a nice mix. We are going to close this and cook properly. We don't need any water to cook the prawns. The prawns itself will leave some water. Now it is almost cooked. Cover it once again and cook till all the water evaporates. This is perfect now. Our prawn masala is ready. Next we'll move on and do our pie crust. Dust some flour. Take the pie dough out of the refrigerator. Now we are going to roll this. Roll this thick, at least half a centimeter thick. This is ready. Now we are going to transfer this into the pie tin. Press this well and give a nice shape. Cut the edges and shape it properly. We are going to use this later. Now take the leftover dough and roll it. Make long strips out of this. We are going to close the pie with this. Next, it is time to bake a pie crust. Before baking, just poke it with a fork. Now bake it in a preheated oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. This is ready now. Now fill the prawn masala in this. Use the strips prepared to cover the pie. This is over. Now top it with some mozzarella cheese. Let us bake this for another 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Our pie is perfect and ready now. Let us take it out. Our prawn pie is ready and hope you enjoyed the recipe. We'll join you in another recipe and do subscribe our channel.